Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we break down the market with news and chart analysis. Today, November 13th, 2024, we're taking a look at Amazon stock, and its current market conditions. Recent headlines are a mixed bag for Amazon, with some highlighting its continued growth in revenue and earnings. One article from Investors Business Daily suggests that funds are quietly accumulating shares in both Amazon and Walmart, suggesting a positive outlook on the company's long-term prospects. However, we also see news about Jeff Bezos selling $1.2 billion worth of Amazon stock, which could be a cause for concern among some investors. This sale, while significant, may not necessarily reflect a negative sentiment towards the company's future. Bezos has been known to sell shares periodically for personal reasons, and it's important to consider the context of the sale in light of other market developments. Despite these mixed signals, the market seems to be leaning bullish on Amazon's overall performance. Let's dive into the daily chart to get a sense of AMZN's recent price action. Zooming out to the full view, we see that Amazon has been on an upward trend for the past several months. The stock price has consistently been making higher highs and higher lows, indicating bullish momentum. However, there are some signs of potential weakness in the recent weeks. We see a slight dip in price, followed by a bounce back, suggesting that buyers are stepping in to support the stock. This could indicate a healthy correction within a broader bullish trend. Looking at the last couple of months, we observe a strong support level around $185, where the price has bounced back several times. This area could act as a key level to watch in the coming days and weeks. As a break below, it could signal a potential shift in momentum to the downside. On the other hand, a strong breakout above the recent highs around $210 would confirm bullish sentiment and potentially push the price towards higher levels. Let's narrow down the daily chart to focus on the last couple of months to get a clearer picture of the recent price action. This range gives us a more detailed view of the support and resistance levels that have emerged during this period. We can see a clear support level around $185, as mentioned earlier, which is a crucial level to watch. A break below this support could indicate a stronger bearish pullback. On the other hand, a break above the resistance level around $210 would confirm a bullish breakout and potentially trigger a new upward leg. Now, let's switch to the hourly chart for a more granular look at the recent price movements. We see that Amazon has been experiencing some volatility in the last few hours, with some back and forth trading. However, the overall trend seems to be leaning bullish, with the price attempting to hold above the key support level identified on the daily chart. If we look at the last couple of days, we see that the price has been trading above a strong support level around $205. This level could act as a short-term support zone, and a break below it could indicate a potential shift in momentum. On the other hand, a break above the recent highs around $210 would suggest a stronger bullish bias and potentially push the price towards higher levels. To understand the current short-term sentiment, let's examine the 15-minute chart. Here, we see a lot more volatility, as expected with a smaller time frame. We see a clear uptrend in the last couple of hours, with the price making higher highs and higher lows. This indicates that buyers are actively participating in the market. However, the recent candles are showing some signs of potential exhaustion. The price has been unable to break above the recent highs around $210, suggesting that sellers may be stepping in. This could be a temporary pullback, or it could be a sign of a potential shift in momentum. It's crucial to monitor the price action closely in this time frame to understand the short-term sentiment. In summary, Amazon is currently facing mixed signals from both news and chart data. While the company's overall performance appears to be strong, recent headlines suggest a cautious approach from some investors. The daily chart shows a bullish trend with potential support and resistance levels around $185 and $210. A break below $185 could signal a stronger bearish pullback, while a break above $210 would confirm a bullish breakout. The hourly chart reveals some volatility, but the overall trend appears to be leaning bullish. The price is currently attempting to hold above the key support level around $205. A break below this level could indicate a potential short-term shift in momentum. The 15-minute chart shows an uptrend, but recent candles suggest potential exhaustion. The price is unable to break above the recent highs, indicating that sellers may be stepping in. It's important to monitor the price action closely in this time frame to understand the short-term sentiment. Moving forward, keep an eye on these key price levels: $185, $205, and $210. A break below $185 would signal a stronger bearish trend. A break above $210 would confirm a bullish breakout. The $205 level acts as a short-term support zone, and a break below it could indicate a potential shift in momentum. Also, keep a close watch on the news surrounding Amazon, particularly regarding its growth in advertising and AWS. These factors could significantly impact the stock's direction. Finally, pay attention to the price action on the 15-minute chart to gauge the short-term sentiment.